As you age 60 and above, focusing on your health becomes more important than ever. Your body may not bounce back as quickly as it once did, but with a few adjustments to your lifestyle, you can maintain vitality, strength, and overall well-being. Today in this video, we will discuss how you can get healthier after 60 years of age. Watch till the end to get back that body that you once had. 1. Prioritize regular exercise. Staying physically active is very important for the healthy aging process. Regular exercise helps maintain muscle mass and keeps your joints flexible. It also improves heart health and enhances your mood. Incorporating resistance exercises, such as using dumbbells, resistance bands, or bodyweight exercises like squats and lunges, helps build and maintain muscle mass, which naturally decreases as you age. Cardiovascular exercises like walking, swimming, cycling, or dancing are great low-impact options to keep your heart healthy. You should aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate aerobic activity per week. Similarly, flexibility and balance exercises such as stretching or yoga and Tai Chi improves flexibility and reduces the risk of falls, a common issue for older adults. 2. Focus on a balanced diet. Your metabolism slows down as you age, and nutrient absorption may not be as efficient for proper bodily functions. Focus on nutrient-dense foods to fuel your body and boost your health. Eating more fiber aids in digestion and helps regulate blood sugar levels. Remember to include lots of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes in your diet. Lean proteins in your diet become very important as muscle mass declines with age. Add lean protein sources such as chicken, turkey, fish, beans, and tofu to your diet. Similarly, omega-3 fatty acids, found in fish like salmon and walnuts, are essential for brain health and reducing inflammation. Limit processed foods and sugars, as these can lead to weight gain and increase the risk of heart disease and diabetes. Dehydration is a common concern as thirst cues become weaker with age. Drink plenty of water throughout the day, even if you don't feel thirsty. 3. Get regular health checkups. Health checkups become increasingly important as you get older. Regular checkups can catch conditions early, making them easier to manage or treat. Blood pressure and cholesterol should be checked regularly to monitor heart health. Osteoporosis is a concern after 60, especially for women. A bone density test can help assess bone strength and fracture risk. Vision and hearing often decline with age, so regular tests are essential to catch any issues early. Continue with screenings for colorectal, breast, and prostate cancers as recommended by your doctor. 4. Prioritize mental health. Staying mentally active is just as important as staying physically fit. Maintaining your mental health can enhance your quality of life and help prevent cognitive decline. Engage in mental exercises. Activities like puzzles, reading, writing, and learning new skills can help keep your brain sharp. Stay socially connected. Loneliness can lead to depression and anxiety. Stay in touch with friends and family. Participate in social clubs or volunteer to maintain meaningful relationships. Practice mindfulness and stress management. Meditation, deep breathing exercises, and yoga can help reduce stress, improve sleep, and promote emotional well-being. 5. Prioritize sleep. Sleep patterns can change with age, but getting a good night's rest is crucial for overall health. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night. Create a sleep routine. Go to bed and wake up at the same time each day to regulate your internal clock. Limit screen time before bed. Exposure to blue light from screens can interfere with your sleep. Try reading a book or practicing relaxation exercises before bed instead. Create a restful environment. Ensure your bedroom is cool, quiet, and comfortable to encourage restful sleep. 6. Maintain a healthy weight. Metabolism tends to slow down with age, making it easier to gain weight. Maintaining a healthy weight reduces the risk of heart disease, diabetes, and joint issues. Watch portion sizes. As activity levels decrease, so should portion sizes. Eating mindfully and slowly can help prevent overeating. Track your progress. Use apps or a journal to keep track of what you eat, your exercise habits, and any changes in your body. Be patient. Weight loss may take longer, but consistency is key. Focus on long-term health benefits rather than quick fixes. 7. Stay positive and purposeful. Your mindset plays a huge role in your overall health. Having a positive outlook can lead to a longer, healthier life. Find a purpose, whether it's volunteering, pursuing hobbies, or spending time with family. Having something to look forward to each day gives you motivation. Practice gratitude. Focusing on the positives can improve mental health and well-being. Consider keeping a gratitude journal or simply take time each day to reflect on the things you appreciate. Surround yourself with positivity. Spend time with people who uplift and support you, and try to engage in activities that bring joy and satisfaction. Getting healthier after 60 is about making consistent lifestyle changes that work for you. Whether it's improving your diet, staying active, or focusing on mental health, these strategies can help you lead a more vibrant, energetic life. Remember, it's never too late to make positive changes for your well-being. Like, share, and subscribe for more educational videos like this. Thank you for watching.